Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best payroll software for businesses. In this video, we'll explore automated payroll processing and tax filing tools that can transform how you manage employee payments and compliance. Whether you're a small startup or a growing enterprise, finding the right payroll solution is crucial for saving time and ensuring accuracy. Let's understand why payroll software is essential for modern businesses. First, automation reduces manual processing time by up to 80%, freeing your team to focus on strategic tasks. Second, accuracy is critical. These tools minimize tax and compliance calculation errors that could be costly. Third, security is paramount when handling sensitive employee and financial data. Finally, scalability means your solution grows with your business, whether you have 5 employees or 500. When evaluating payroll software, consider 3 main criteria. First, examine the automation features. Look for direct deposit capabilities, automated tax filing, and comprehensive compliance reporting. Second, assess ease of use. Your HR team should be able to navigate the interface intuitively without extensive training. Third, evaluate pricing and scalability. The solution should be cost-effective, whether you're a small business starting out or a large organization expanding. We tested 3 leading payroll software solutions. Solution 1 offers cloud-based automation with real-time reporting, starting from $50 per month. Solution 2 provides enterprise integration capabilities and comprehensive compliance tracking, starting from $100 per month. Solution 3 features AI-powered tax optimization and automated filing, starting from $75 per month. Each solution addresses different business needs and budgets. We focused on testing 6 critical features across all solutions. Employee data management, the ability to import and synchronize employee records seamlessly. Direct deposit functionality, ensuring automated bank transfers work reliably. Reporting capabilities, checking if real-time dashboards and analytics are accessible. Tax compliance features, verifying automatic filing and deduction calculations. Security measures, confirming encryption and data protection standards. Finally, mobile access, testing whether employees and admins can access the system from anywhere. Our testing process involved 4 key phases. First, setup and configuration. We installed the software and configured payroll settings for a test company. Second, data import. We imported employee records and verified data accuracy throughout the system. Third, payroll processing. We executed a sample payroll cycle to test all automation features. Fourth, tax filing and reporting. We generated tax reports and validated that compliance accuracy meets regulatory requirements. All 3 solutions proved competent in core features. Automated payroll, direct deposit, tax filing, and employee portals are standard across all options. Real-time reporting capabilities are also present in every solution we tested. However, there are differences in advanced features. Application Programming Interface Integration, or API integration, is available in Solution 2 and 3, but not in Solution 1. This is important if you need to connect payroll with other business systems. Each solution offers significant advantages and some limitations. Benefits include substantial time savings on manual processing, reduced calculation errors and compliance risks, easy scalability as your business grows, and enhanced data security with encryption. Drawbacks include ongoing monthly subscription costs, the need for staff training and onboarding, potential requirements for additional system integrations, and limited customization options in some solutions. Weigh these factors based on your specific needs. Our recommendations vary based on your business size. For small businesses with 1 to 50 employees, choose Solution 1. It prioritizes simplicity and cost-effectiveness without unnecessary complexity. For mid-size companies with 51 to 500 employees, Solution 2 is ideal, offering advanced automation, comprehensive reporting, and strong integration capabilities. For large enterprises with over 500 employees, select Solution 3 for robust security, API integration, and comprehensive support to handle complex payroll requirements. Remember these key takeaways. Choose your payroll software based on your specific business size and needs. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Always test features with a free trial before committing long-term to ensure the software matches your workflow. Prioritize automation and compliance capabilities since these directly impact your bottom line and legal compliance. Finally, evaluate the total cost of ownership, including training and implementation costs, not just monthly fees. Start with a free trial today to test the features that work best for your business.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.